Okay, this is Kit. She just got her Warby Parker frames, and we're gonna see what she got. Oh, there we go. Okay, so what is this? First, it's your home try-on handbook, and then some instructions. Okay. What are those? What's the name of that?
This is, I can't see without my glasses on.
So, what do you think of them?
I like these.
Okay. All right.
Keep going.
Let's keep going.
Not supposed to be filming everything.
Those are clear. What's the name of that package? You forgot your glasses, didn't you? Okay, let me see.
Crystal.
Oh, Ferris Crystal.
Okay, but not so much.
Okay.
Not bad though.
Yeah, they're not bad. And this one is Keen. Something lemon?
Tortoise.
Burnt lemon tortoise. Okay. They have glasses or glass in there, huh?
Yeah. It's just clear. Okay. You okay? I think a little small.
Yeah, they are smaller. They're definitely smaller than the first pair.
Yeah. That was bad.
What's this one named? Okay, this is Sailor. Layered shoreline crystal with polished silver. Okay. So they're two-tone. That's very stylish.
Not so much.
I like the glasses, but I don't think I like them on you.
Yes, that's exactly right.
I do like them.
Yeah.
I could get another wife to try them on.
Yeah, I think you're out of them.
Oh. What's the name of this
Okay,
one?
let's see. Blue Gray Crystal.
Watts.
Goodness. Yeah. They're not bad. The glasses are they're all pretty. They're all nice looking, but not on me. The winner is number 1.
The Warby Parkers.
Guess that's why they call them that. Huh?
Okay. So let's go back to the first one again. which happens to be the only one that you left out of the bag.
Love them.
Love them.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
I like them.
Okay. You really do, or?
Yeah, I do. I mean, I do like some of the other glasses, but
I love them. There's nothing wrong with all of them. I would love them all, but on my face, I have to have a certain thing.
So you give the rose to. What's on the back here? Upside down. Eugene Small. Eugene Small. Okay.
This is the name of that rosewood, or what?
Tortoise.
Tortoise.
Rosewood tortoise.
Yeah. These I love. These are winners.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
There's your Warby Parker.
Yeah.
Try on at home. You got it.
Okay.